Today I will be showing you the 3 simple steps needed to install our DIY crown molding. We have all the materials here that we need and we're ready to get started.
We recommend painting your crown molding the day before you plan to install your project. Nomastyl is easily paintable with any latex-based paint.
One unique thing about DIY crown molding is that it all is sold in 6.5 foot pieces, which makes it perfect for one man or one woman to install it completely on their own. When you do start your project, I would recommend starting the cuts with your inside and outside corners. They're going to be the most difficult part of your project. And then once you have a middle ground between the two, it'll be simple to make a straight edge cut to fit the gap.
At the end of the video, we've included detailed instructions on making inside and outside corner cuts. Nomastyl crown molding can be cut with an electric miter saw or a fine-toothed handsaw and miter box, like you see here. Installation is easy. Once you have your corner pieces cut, run a line of caulk down both sides of the back of your molding. Press it into place. Simply add caulk to the joint and press your second corner piece into place next to it. Run a line of caulk down the joint, then wipe away excess with your finger or with a damp towel. After you have installed your corner joints, you can cut your pieces to fit the remaining spaces. Check that your cut pieces fit correctly. Then, apply a line of caulk to both edges. Apply a small amount of spackling paste to the ends of your pieces. Press your molding into place. Run a thin line of caulk along the top and bottom of your molding to fill any gaps and to seal your molding into place. Wipe away excess caulk with your finger or with a damp towel. Wipe away excess spackling paste at your seams. Once they are dry, you can sand your non-corner joints smooth with fine grit sandpaper and paint over the seams. Congratulations, you've completed your crown molding installation. Please take a closer look at these guides for mitering the corners. You can download and print these on our product pages at homedepot.com.